Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. Today, we have a really special bike to show you. This is the Rexx Motorbikes T01, and I'm going to tell you why, after spending a couple months with it, why this is the electric dirt bike to buy. This thing is absolutely insane. You can get it on their website in a couple different colors, and this bike, with the quality and the power that it has, is only $29.99. Guys, that is an absolute bargain, and you can save an additional $100 by using code EASY, so EASY, and that'll drop it down to $28.99 for this monster of a bike. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. The styling is definitely unique. It's not a copycat clone of a Sur-Ron like everything else out there. And I think this is the hidden gem that really nobody knows about right now, that I think needs a little bit more exposure. Now, we've owned a lot of electric dirt bikes on the channel, and this by far is our favorite, especially for the price point that they offer this at. I can't believe they got the price down this low. We're going to go over the specs and features, and then we'll take it out on the streets, on the trails, and show you guys a little bit more about how this bike performs. Now, this bike is on the heavier side, but with the build quality and with the parts on this bike, 181 pounds is really no big deal. Now, this bike can handle up to 300 pounds. Now, the seat height is 33 inches, so this bike will fit a wide variety of different rider sizes. This bike can get up to 50 miles per hour. Now, the battery that comes in this bike is a 72 volt, 35 amp hour, and it will give you up to 75 plus miles of range on a single charge. And we're gonna remove the seat. So there is your 72 volt, 35 amp hour battery. Nice single connection. There is no fuse on this bike, but this seat is really amazing, and I could just see companies like Tapia Seats coming out with some really nice custom seats for the T01. And we'll put the seat back on by sliding it into that spot there, getting the hooks underneath, and pushing the seat down until it clicks into place. So not the easiest seat to get off and back on again, but really nice, comfortable seat, probably the nicest we've seen on an electric dirt bike. Now, this bike does offer fast charging. Here is your charging port, really nice connector, and you can charge the battery from 0 to 80% in 2 hours. So really nice to get you back on the road, back on the trails and riding. Now, this bike has a rated 3,500 watt motor, and you can get a continuous peak of 7,500 watts and up to a 10,000 watt short peak. It'll also give you 312 Newton meters of torque, so some really nice torque on this thing. Now, the wheel setup is really impressive on here for an electric dirt bike. You get a 19-inch wheel in the front and a 17-inch wheel in the rear, and that's the way it's supposed to be. So if you're looking for that setup, this thing offers it right out of the box. Now, I want you to check out this rear fat tire. Look how big this thing is. Look how wide it is. This thing is enormous. I actually want to get a custom rim on here with some Supermoto tires. So if you guys know some rims that I can slap on here that will look awesome, looking at maybe the Milk Racing ones. You get some beefy hydraulic disc brakes on here. I believe there's a motorcycle grade. Now, as far as suspension on here, it is fantastic. This is a motorcycle grade front fork, 180 millimeters of travel. You also get an adjustable rear tune shock. This is a cool little suspension cover to keep that dirt off of your rear suspension. Now, I absolutely love the way the front of the bike looks. Get this nice headlight in this nice housing, the Rexx Motorbikes logo, and also this beefy front fender. Moving over to the other side of the bike, you get this heavy-duty chain. These pegs could use a little upgrade as these aren't very sharp. Now, sitting on the bike feels very comfortable. There is a couple ways to turn the bike on. There is an app called EasyEye, and you can actually turn it on from the app itself. You can also arm it. It does have an alarm on here, which will sound and also lock the rear wheel. So really nice safety features. It also has GPS built into the app as well. Now, you can also use the NFC card it comes with. Comes with two, and you're going to tap it right here where it says NFC, and the bike will power on. Really nice full color LED display. Now, we'll go over the handlebars, the controls, and also go over what's on the screen here. Now, starting from the left-hand side, moving over to the right, you have your left brake lever, which when you squeeze it, your brake light will illuminate. You do have a working taillight as well. You have your left grip here. They're decent. Now you do have a button to turn on your high beams temporarily, and you also have a toggle switch, and you also have turn signals here, which I believe they're coming out with turn signals to integrate into the bike, or they might come on the bike. I'm not really sure what they're planning on doing for those. You do have a horn, and that is really loud. Love the riser handlebars here. You have a nice rise. On the right hand side, you have your right brake lever. Now you have a hazards button that you can click. It makes noise, but I don't know what actually illuminates. Now when you turn the bike on, it does go into park mode automatically, so you have to turn that off. Our kickstand is down, so we'll need to prop that up. And then we'll also need to click this P toggle switch here, and that'll put the bike into ready mode, and we are ready to go. You have your drive modes, eco and sport, and you can change those by hitting this mode button here. So now we're in sport. Clicking again, it goes back to eco. You also have another way to power on and power off the bike with this power switch here. So really nice controls, really simplistic. I absolutely love it. Now on the screen, we are connected to our Bluetooth app. So it will show the Bluetooth icon here. Of course, we have our tripometer and your speed in miles per hour. I believe you can change that to kilometers per hour in the app. You also have your battery meter here. We're at 100%. And we get this cool little design here. It doesn't really function as anything, but really nice looking display. Again, very simplistic. All right, so there is the Rexx Motorbikes T01. We're gonna take it out on the trails, on the road, and show you guys how it performs. If you guys have any questions for us, leave them in the comments section below. We get back to everybody. Let's get on the road and see how it performs. All right, so we're on the Rexx T01, and I've had this bike for a couple months now, and it's so comfortable. There's a lot of room on here. Really nice long seat. Do a brake test at the storm drain here. All right, so we locked them up. That's pretty sick. Brakes work fantastic on here, and just a really quality built bike. We're gonna do a top speed test here. They say we can get up to 50 miles per hour. All right, so we get up to 49 miles per hour. Obviously, I don't want to end up in the back of the car, but it felt like we had a little more juice in the tank. Like I said before, this bike does feel like it's limited at 50 miles per hour, but it does feel like it has a lot more in the tank that could be unleashed. So once we figure out how to unlock this bike, of course, we'll let you know. If you guys know any secrets with this, how to unlock it or whatever, please share with us, because we want to, tap into that extra power, because we know it's there. Now, as far as the throttle goes, it is instant. So push, 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 and this bike, as you just saw, will pull up the front wheel without any issues. The pickup is awesome. Of course, you're getting 312 Newton meters of torque out of this, and really nimble, really easy to toss around, even at the size that it's at. Like we said, it's 181 pounds, but the build is much better, much more high quality than the other competitors on the market. And like we said, for $28.99, which is the absolute steal, it's a hidden gem on the electric dirt bike market right now. Suspension is really good. The big tires definitely play into that as well, making the ride more comfortable. Get a lot of grip on these tires too, but not a lot of noise on the road, which is good. And like we said, you get a nice big comfortable seat that you can move all the way up on and all the way back depending on your riding situations and how you like to ride. We're going to go on our off-road trail here, show you guys how it performs. This is going to be very light duty for this bike, so it has no issues in here. And of course, I spent a couple months with this bike, and it is still our favorite to take out. It is just so much fun, so much potential, and we are absolutely loving it. And again, this is like a hidden gem, because nobody knows much about these bikes. So we wanted to get on it, do some long-term testing, and see if it holds up. And it has done even better than expected. No issues at all. I am feathering the throttle. I am not the most skilled rider when it comes to trails and off-roading, so I'm not going to push it to its limits, but this thing can rip. I can feel all the mulch and rocks and stuff coming up. I twist that throttle. Hills, no issue with this bike. And like I said, I'm not doing justice for this bike and what its capabilities are, as I am not the best rider off-road, so but we've given it to our buddies who ride motocross, and they absolutely loved it. We did some crazy stuff that I can only dream of doing on this bike. And when we told them what the price tag was, because they thought it was going to be a lot more expensive, because anything close to the motocross bikes, the gas bikes that are electric, are like twice the price. When they heard you can get this bike for $28.99, they were blown away. Very nimble, takes corners really well, and again, it's not overbearingly heavy. It is on the heavier side with these electric dirt bikes, these smaller electric dirt bikes, but it doesn't feel like that. And it's very, very well made. Definitely want to slap some supermotos on here. Get a nice set of wheels, nice set of tires. You guys recommend anything? Leave them in the comment section below. I want to know what we should put on here. But everything's really responsive. Screen is really easy to read. That's very important on these bikes, especially in the sun. And I love the seating position, and I would imagine it would be good for anybody from 5'1" all the way up to 6'6". Could definitely get on this bike and rip it around and be super comfortable on it. So we're gonna do a hill climb test on the Rexx Motorbikes T01. See how it does getting up the hill. Obviously, it's not gonna have any issues whatsoever, but we're gonna do it anyway. So here we go. $35 miles an hour already. Guys, this is still climbing. That is insane. So again, this is the electric dirt bike that nobody really knows about, that everybody should be buying when it comes to quality and price and performance. Giving a 72 volt, 45 amp hour battery, super efficient, ton of power. Do a top speed test again. All right, we did hit 50 miles per hour. I knew there was more in the tank. So there you have it. If you have any questions about Rexx Motorbikes T01, leave them in the comment section below. We get back to everybody. We want to know what you think about this bike, and if you're wondering if you should pick it up, we do have a Facebook group for the Rexx Motorbikes owners. You can check that out as well. We welcome anybody that's interested or owns the bike. We want to get this bike in everybody's hands, because honestly, this is a fantastic deal. Till next time, thank you guys for watching. We appreciate you. Peace out.